Are you ready for our big trip to the city, Leo?
Yes! I can't wait to see the huge dinosaur museum.
Don't forget your backpack. Keep your ticket safe inside.
Yes, Mom. The bag is ready right here.
Great, Leo. Now let's go to the living room and get the luggage. I'll take the brown suitcases. Let's go. It is a beautiful sunny day. Let's walk toward the street to get a taxi. Let's put our big brown suitcase in the taxi. Put your seatbelt on, Leo. We are going to the train station.
Look out the window, Mom. The city buildings are very tall.
Yes, they are.
Yeah.
There are many cars on the road today.
I see the train station. It is huge.
We are here. Let's go inside. The train station is very busy. There are many people here. Please hold my hand, Leo. Do not let go.
Okay, Mom. Wow, look at that giant clock on the wall.
Henry.
The clock is so big. It has golden hands. Mom? Where are you? I cannot see you. I am lost. I am scared. I need to find help. Excuse me, sir. Are you a guard?
Yes, I am. How can I help you, young man?
I am lost. I cannot find my mother.
Do not worry. We will find her. What does she look like?
She has wavy red hair. She is wearing a dark green sweater.
Attention. We have a lost boy. He is looking for a woman in a green sweater.
Oh no! Leo! That is my son! Excuse me. Please let me pass. I need to find my boy.
Over here!
Oh, Leo. I was so worried. Thank you so much, sir. We are safe now. It is good to ask for help when you are lost.
I am sorry, Mom. I promise I will always hold your hand in busy places. Here is our train. Let us stay together.
Thank you for learning with us. Please subscribe for more stories.